Hello everybody. Today I will discuss past papers math, pure math 3, May June 2020. This is question number 1. Find the equation and remainder when 6x power 4 plus x cubed minus x squared plus 5x minus 6 is divided by 2x squared minus x plus 1. Now, this question is about division of polynomials. Now, we use the long division methods. This is the dividend, that is this one, 6x power 4 plus x cubed minus x squared plus 5x minus 6. Divided by that one, this is the divisor here. Now, we choose the first term here, that is 3x squared, because 3x squared times 2x squared, that is equals with leading term in the dividend, that is 6x power 4, and then 3x squared times minus x, that is minus 3x squared. 3x squared times 1, that is 3x squared. Next step, that is this is subtracted from dividend, yeah, minus here, 6x power 4 minus 6x power 4 is 0, x cubed minus 3x cubed, that is 4x cubed, yeah, and then minus x squared minus 3x squared, that is minus 4x squared, and then this term is moved down here, 5x. Now next step is we choose 2x here, because 2x times 2x squared, that is equals leading term here, that is 4x cubed. 2x times minus x, that is minus 2x squared, and 2x times plus 1, that is plus 2x. Again, this is subtracted from this part, that is this minus this 0, minus 4x squared minus 2x squared, that is minus 2x squared, and 5x minus 2x, that is 3x. And then this term is moved down here, is moved down. Now we need minus 1 here, because minus 1 times 2x squared, that is minus 2x squared, equals with these leading terms, and then minus 1 times minus x plus x, plus 1 times minus 1, that is minus 1, minus here, minus 2x minus 2x squared, that is 0, 3x minus x is 2x, and minus 6 minus 1 is minus 5. Now the process stops when the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of divisors. Thus we stop here, and this is the equation, and this is the remainder. This equation is 3x squared plus 2x minus 1, and the remainder is 2x minus 5. Question number 2. The variables x and y satisfy the equation y squared equals a times e power kx, where a and k are constants. The graph of ln y against x, this is ln y against x, is a straight line. This is straight line passing through the points 1.5, 1, 2 and 5.24, 2.7 as shown in the diagram. This is in that one. Now find the value of a and k correct to 2 decimal places. This question is about linear law. Now first we write this one, y squared equals a times e power kx, and take the logarithm natural for both sides. Ln y squared equals ln a times e power kx, and then use the base of logarithm. This exponential of y move down to ln y equals, that is the product, we expand becomes addition, ln e power kx plus ln a, 2 ln y equals, and this power is moved down here, kx times ln e is 1, so that is why here is kx plus ln a. Thus from this equation we can see that ln y is linearly related with x. That is why here this the graph ln y in the vertical axis and x in the horizontal axis. The graph is a straight line, yeah, because the relation between ln y and x, that is linearly related. Now those both sides divided by 2, thus we obtain ln y equals k per 2x plus half ln a. Thus from this linear relation between ln y and x, k over 2, that is the slope of the straight line in the graph, and half ln y, that is intercept of ln y, yeah, that is vertical axis intercept half ln a. Now the gradient of straight line, and from this equation that is the k over 2 equals, we use the two already known points on the graph, those 2.7 minus 1,2 divided by 5.24 minus 1.5. Further calculation, we obtain k is 0.80213 etc., and that is equals 0.80. That is correct to 2 decimal places. Now those we substitute k by this value, thus ln y equals 0.80213 per 2x plus half ln a. We substitute one of the points already known, that is 1.5, 1.2. That is thus ln y is substituted by 1.2 and x is by 1.5. Thus 1.2 equals 0.80213 over 2 times 1.5 plus half ln a. Ln a equals 1.1968, or a is, that is, use the definition of logarithm, a is e power this one, and that is a equals 3.3095 equals 3.31, correct to 2 decimal places. Thus the value of k, that is 0.80, and the value of a, that is 3.31. Now question number 3, find the exact value of integration from 1 to 4 of x per 3 over 2 ln x dx. This is question about the integration by parts. Now we will use this formula, that is integration of u dv equals u times v minus the integration of v du. Now we let u equals ln x, yeah, and then dv, that is x per 3 over 2 dx. Now u equals ln x, thus du dx, that is 1 over x, or du equals 1 over x dx. dv equals x per 3 over 2 dx. Now integrate both sides here, this integration of dv, that is v, and integration of x per 3 over 2 dx, that is x per 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2 equals 2 per 5 x per 5 over 2. Now those integration of x per 3 over 2 ln x dx, that is u times v, thus this one times that one, that is 2 per 5 x per 5 over 2 ln x minus v du, this is times that one. Now we write 2 over 5 outside the integration sign, thus 2 over 5 integration x power 5 over 2 times du, this is 1 over x dx, yeah, plus c here, that is x power 5 over 2 times 1 over x, that is x power 3 over 2. So that is 2 over 5 x power 5 over 2 ln x minus 2 over 5 integration of x power 3 over 2 dx, plus c integration of, or this part, that is equals 4 over 25 x power 5 over 2 plus c. Now integration from 1 to 4 of x power 3 over 2 ln x dx equals, that is this part, 2 over 5 x per 3 5 over 2 ln x minus 4 per 25 x per 5 over 2, that is from 1 to 4. Now first substitute 4 in this equation minus 1 substitute in this equation, thus x first substituted by 4 minus x substituted by 1, thus from the calculation we obtain that 64 per 5 ln 4 minus 24 over 25. We can write 4 as 2 squared, and then the power 2 is moved down here, times this is times 2, that is also equals 128 per 5 ln 2 minus 124 per 25. This is the exact value of the integration. Now that is all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you.